Okay, whenever you're ready.
Alright, so hi, my name is Celeste. So I left a lot of my personal objects at home, so I really had to think outside of the box for this speech. I ended up coming up with 4 random but meaningful objects to represent my past, future, present, and theme. So these objects represent a little bit about who I am and what I like to do. So the first object I brought in was this baseball hat. So I actually used to volunteer at this place called Mark One. And so what Mark One is, it's a home that helps people with profound disabilities, like kids to adults. So I started volunteering there when I was a freshman, so Mark One is a really big part of my life. It's unique because I really found what I like to do. I found out that I like helping people, so it's really meaningful. And I chose to bring in the baseball hat because the baseball games were always my favorite thing to volunteer at. So what I brought in to represent my present is these like jean shorts that I painted and thrifted. So like thrifting is my present like hobby. I got really into it over the summer. So why it's symbolic is because you're saving money and looking cute, and it's also helping like the environment because thrifting clothes is actually since you're like reusing products, it's helping pollution and waste. And so why they're unique is because I thrifted and painted these myself. I don't think anybody else has checkered shorts like these. So the object I brought in to represent my future is this little beaded bracelet. So I was actually a senior PE leader for like a special ed gym class. So I was kind of like a teacher. So I became really good friends with one of the students in the class named Brianna. And on the last day of school, she made this for me, and it just says like "Cell," like it's half my name. And why it's unique is because it kind of shows how close of a friendship we actually had, and it's meaningful because she used like my favorite colors and she put my name on it. And I also, through that bracelet, I kind of figured out that I specifically want to be a special ed teacher. That kind of pushed me to do that. So lastly, for my theme, I chose to bring in this ceramic heart that says heart of gold because it kind of ties into the 3 of my objects because I love everything that I brought and like the meaning behind it. So I also looked into it, and like heart of gold symbolizes like generosity and good nature, and I feel like I'm like generous. So yeah, I brought it in because I love everything that I do. I love everything that I brought in, and if I didn't have these kind of passions and goals for life, I probably wouldn't be the same person I am. So after listening to me speak for these few minutes, I hope you guys got to know a little bit about who I am and what I like to do. I can't wait to listen to you guys.